Big up, bless up, hail massive, all day, every day. Today, I'm going to share 5 tips you can use to get out of credit card debt in no time. Let's get into the video. The need for credit cards has grown exponentially in recent years. Jamaicans owe over $50 billion according to the Bank of Jamaica, compared to over $900 billion in the United States. I own 3 credit cards and racked up over $10,000 in debt, which is all clear to date. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 strategies to get out of credit card debt fast. But before I do, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you are alerted each time I post a video, so you'll be able to save money and earn a little extra cash in your pocket. Let's get into the video. Tip 1. Pay down the card with the lowest balance first. You might be asking yourself, why not focus on the card with the highest balance and interest? The answer is simple. Most of the times that approach does not work. People crave instant gratification. They want to feel as if some sort of progress is being made with their credit card payments. This then boosts self-confidence and improves results. The best option is to focus all your efforts on clearing the low-hanging fruit. I had a $1,000 credit card that I paid off in 4 months while ensuring the minimum balance was covered off on the other cards. At all times, you should avoid hurting your credit score, which can affect things like getting a mortgage and even securing a job, so at least pay the minimum balance. After completing the payment on the $1,000 credit card, I applied those payments to the minimum payment on my other cards. Do you understand? Are you lost? Just checking. Okay, it looks like I'm going to have to take you to school. So, if I paid $250 a month to pay down my $1,000 credit card, when I paid off that card, I would then pay $250 plus minimum payment on the other card until it was completely paid off. If I got any extra cash, I added the extra payment on the card. Tip 2. Set goals to pay down portions of credit card within a specific time frame. Focus on eliminating manageable chunks of your credit card. So, let's say you owe $5,000, make a commitment to pay down half the amount over 4 months, and you'll be able to clear your debt, and I guarantee you that you will feel immense gratification when you see your balance reduce. The more you pay, the quicker the credit card debt will be eliminated. This is because interest on the card reduces. Look at your credit card in portions rather than as a whole. When you look at it as a whole, it can be very intimidating. That puppy of a credit card slowly grew into a monster. There is a saying I once heard: no man can solve a complex problem, but a complex problem can be solved by man. This is achievable by solving the smaller issue, which will in effect solve the bigger problem. Make the necessary sacrifices and get out of debt. Lastly, if you pay the small portions, do not use it. That defeats the whole purpose of your plan. Tip 3. Ask your friend, family for help. Asking for financial help from friends and family may be awkward, but it's a lot better option than having the bank call you repeatedly and you ending up in court over debt repayment. Most people despise asking for help and wait until they are in grave straits before approaching anyone for financial assistance. While you don't want to make it a habit, asking friends and relatives for money during a one-time financial emergency is much better than the high-cost alternative. Friends and family are unlikely to charge you interest or fees, and they tend to be more lenient with the payback. Just be true to your word and there should be no issue. With their help, you'll be able to repay your credit card over time while still managing your daily expenses. Tip 4. Ask your company for help. I work for a pretty prestigious company. They are willing to provide financial assistance to staff members, as there is a general pool of funds in the event of staff emergencies. If you have this benefit, use it. Asking for financial assistance from your company can be similar to asking your family for a loan. If you are a good worker and someone your company values, they will stretch a lending hand. You have the ability to negotiate terms, which in some cases could be non-interest payment over an agreed time period. Check with your company and find out what sorts of financial assistance they provide. Tip 5. Consolidate your credit card debt. This strategy involves moving all your current credit card debt balances to a single lower interest rate loan. Typically, banks like to offer this type of loan because it locks you in for a few years. It's a small price to pay for bad spending habits. Additionally, some banks require that you close your credit card accounts and have a portion of your loan payment go towards a compulsory savings account at the bank. Consolidation loans can last from 3 to 7 years depending on the size of your debt. If you've reached this far in the video, make sure to comment below. Do you agree with the tips so far? I have a bonus tip. Earn more money. When it comes to paying down debt, few people think about earning more money, but this is probably the most effective strategy for doing so. Whether it's due to unforeseen circumstances or poor money management, many people can't scrape together enough money each month to pay off their balance, causing them to slowly fall into the interest rate trap. I have provided a number of helpful tips if you're interested on earning money online, so make sure to check out those videos. I've also provided a link in the description. Making additional payments, whether through a part-time job or doing freelance work, will allow you to make higher payments on your credit cards. You'll be debt-free in no time if you do it this way. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to watch my videos on making money online and tips to earn some extra cash in your pocket. If you haven't already, please ensure to hit that subscribe button for more videos where we talk about financial literacy, making money online, money management, becoming financially free. I'm Mr. MT from Make Real Money Tips, and I'm out.